Well, hi everyone. Guess what? Now I've completed the spring version of my gazebo page. I also have a video about how to do the winter version. But this is how I plan to put my pictures on. I now am going to just kind of take it apart. Take off these nice flowers I put on there. And over here, take off the pictures, the journal box, the title, and when you see me take these out, you'll kind of get an idea of how they were put together. This pops up, and I was able to cut this picture out using a pattern that comes in the kit that I made for my Etsy channel. And here's another one that's cut to the pattern. Here's a 4x6 picture, but you could also have a 5x7 fits perfectly in there, or a framed 4x6 vertical. All right, this one also lifts up, so I can take this picture out. I wanted to make sure I pointed out the butterflies that I have kind of going from this side of the page on over to this page. And I just did that using a stencil, butterfly stencil from Close to My Heart. And I used Lagoon ink in this case, the same color as this band that I put across the top. The other thing I did was make a bunch of flowers. Some of the flowers I cut out of this pattern paper, and others of them I made with this Close to My Heart stamp, CC1228. It's called From the Heart, and I was able to stamp some really neat images in various colors. These are layered stamps, and you get that effect with the two-tone and then the center in it. From 3 different stamps that come on the set. And I fussy cut them. And then I keep a record of what inks I used, and I put them in here with the stamp for reference next time. So these things I will sprinkle along various places in front of the fence.